everybody, JoPaddy here, and welcome to the art table. And today, I was just kind of munching on some of my Hawaiian candies. So I'll just tell you about that really quick. They're really salty. Any Hawaiian candy that I've ever gotten is super salty. So it's sweet, but salty. And these are my little gummy bears, and I have a little watermelon chews, but it does say salt on here, and it's almost the last ingredient. But yet it's so predominant. I don't know if I like it or not. It's pretty salty, like I'm really tasting a part of the ocean there. All right, anyway, what I wanted to talk to you guys about today was this sticky labels that you get when you buy wood pieces for your artwork. And does this ever happen to you? Look at that. It's terrible. It's like they put, you know, these sticker labels on everything right where you don't want them to be. And when I bought picture frames, they stick the price sticker right in the middle of the glass frame. And it's just ridiculous, you know. Scratching and peeling and getting your thumbnail up in there and peeling it off. So I want to show you guys a trick that I know. And I think it's going to help you. So I'm going to try it on this in a minute, because I've already dug around in there, and I want to see how well it works on this stuff that I've already peeled off. And this one's kind of damp because I soaked it in water, so I think we just won't mess with that one today. So what I've learned, what I'm doing, is my heat gun. And I heard it works good with the blow dryer too, but we're going to use the heat gun today. And we're going to blow high heat on this for about 15 seconds. Should be about it. It was about 15 seconds, maybe not. And then get a corner piece, and then it should peel right up. Well, maybe I didn't heat it long enough. There we go. You notice this is kind of peeling up. It's a lot better than having all those little pieces on there. Maybe I didn't heat it long enough. Let's give it another little dousing. Yep, it's coming right off. Okay. I think. All right, let's get a corner here. It's not peeling up like I want it to. Maybe I didn't heat it up enough. So it's supposed to come right off earlier when I tried one. These are really stuck on there. They're so sticky. And then you gotta figure out how to get the goo off. Once these comes up, there's still like residue left on there. And it's terrible, you guys. I'm sure you all experienced this before. It does come up easier when you heat it. So not coming off the way I planned. Looking for another piece of artwork here. Now, I took all the stickers off my other one, so anyway, it's just the heat. I'm not adding enough heat. But it comes right off. This isn't my little way I wanted to show you. Isn't working to perfection today, but I know you get the idea, and it does come right off, and you don't have to worry about, oh, there's no sticky residue left on there. My thing is, I'm kind of in a hurry today, so I don't think that I really applied the heat all over like I wanted to, but for this experiment to show you. Let's see if we can do another piece. Another piece that's been kind of half peeled. I got these little wood rounds at Walmart for like 98 cents. See how that comes right off there like that? Look how nice that is. And this is one that's already been picked at, so But I wish I had one that had the whole sticker on it, because I could show you guys how much easier it is. If you just heat up the whole sticker, then you can peel it right off. But if you've already been picking at it, it's much harder to get off. But it still comes off. And then this one here, I had one over here, but I got it wet, so that's why it's much harder. I don't even know where it went now, but anyway, it's much harder to get off when I tried other techniques first. Then it seems like the sticky's really on there, or I put one in water. Oh boy, it's terrible, but this works really good. I haven't tried the blow dryer yet, but that peels right off. And then I want to show you, so like it's good for the artwork. I just painted this, and then when I'm done painting something, I just take a 220 to it, real lightly, to get off anything before I put the top coat on. And then I've been using these for putting like the small artwork, so people can hang it on the wall. They can actually, after you hammer that in there, you could take a stylus and pinch it up a little bit, and that way they can hang it on the wall. And I'll show you what I use. There's a lot of things with this kind of artwork when you have thin wood and thin pieces like that, and you're doing a display, or you're showing kids how to paint something, they want to take it home and hang it up. A lot of stuff, their nails and everything are just too long. And I like to use hooks, but a lot of these are too long. But I did find something that Hook makes, and I got it in this pack right here. And it's these little O-rings. Because the little O-rings actually have the two little spikes on the back side. And you just place it where you want it on your artwork and hammer it in. And you can pick back the O-ring with a stylus or a small screwdriver. Now I would like to, if it's something nicer, maybe a little bigger, and I know what direction it's going to go in, I would also maybe super glue this down or put resin on it to make sure that stays on there. But I like to leave it like this, because someone that buys it, they might want to pop that off and put it somewhere else to display the artwork in a different direction. And then when you're done, you can just put it in these little 4-gallon bags, and now your artwork's ready to go. All right, you guys. Well, that was it for today. And I'm going to go put some hooks on the back of some of this other artwork that I had. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. Arrivederci.